Welcome to Int IT Solutions. Today we will discuss about top 10 technologies in 2021. You know, change is only the constant. This applies you to professional life as well, right? Upcoming skills, otherwise you need to upgrade your skills is very much needed in nowadays. The reason is pretty simple. Technology is evolving very quickly. For that, we need to identify and invest our time in top tech trending technologies which will attract a huge market. That is very important. Now, let us look into it. The first one is 5G technology. The 5G technology is the next generation of cellular networks and it expected to provide at least 20 Gbps downlink and 10 Gbps uplink, which will make the 5G network to be at least 40 times faster than the current LTE. And then this will open doors for new services, network operations, and customer experience from telecom operators. Currently, the market is led by the Switzerland, closely followed by South Korea and United States of America. Let's see what are the different companies are investing in 5G technologies. Samsung, Huawei, Intel, Deloitte, Nokia, Ericsson, Qualcomm. These are the companies are investing in 5G technologies, and then we will also upgrade it, our services which will suit to the technology soon. The next one is Internet of Behaviors. The Internet of Behaviors is nothing but the collection and use of data to drive the behaviors is called Internet of Behaviors. You know, IOB can gather, combine, and processes data from many sources, including citizen data processed by public sector, commercial customer data, government agencies, social media, public domain, location tracking, right? And then the companies are investing in IOB, AWS, Cisco, SAP, Microsoft, HP, IBM, Dell, and Cloudera. You know what is meant by IOB? Okay. An example of the industrial sites having employed a computer vision to determine if the employees were complying with a mask protocol and then collecting the behavioral of data to be analyzed and then organization to influence to people follow the government protocols at work. Means a different set of data is produced by the humans, right? We need to manage the data, but here the managing of data which is processed by the help of internet and then by the behavior it has to organize the data in such a way that it has to build the own protocols to perform some actions. It's called Internet of Behaviors. The next one is DevSecOps. You know about DevOps, right? DevOps is nothing but its development and operations. But here, DevSecOps is short development of security and operations. The development and security and operations, the three are combined together, it forms a DevSecOps. Its objective is implementing the security at the same scale and speed as the development and operations, and just for the sake of it. With the wider adaptation of microservices, DevSecOps seems to find the way deeper into our DevSecOps. It is not at all. And anywhere operation model will be a vital business to emerge successfully from this current economy. You know, at this core, the operation models allows for the business to be accessed, delivered, and enabled anywhere. The format is now exploring the various aspects of technology like Git operations and data operations and no operations. Right? The companies are investing in DevSecOps is Amazon, NASA, Capgemini, Dell, and Oracle. Right? The next one is intelligent business automation. The robotic process automation is basically that an idea. Anything that can be automated should be automated. You know, this year we have discovered something even more fascinating that called intelligent process automation. The IPA is a nutshell that allows a bots to benefit from the abilities of artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning, meaning they can learn and improve over time. This helps these intelligent bots evolve from the if this then that rule. What is that rule? If this, then that rule, as adaptation of automation is expected to grow, investment of an IPA is estimated to reach. There are 2 billion people by 2025. It's expectation only. And the companies are investing on IPA, KPMG, AWS, and Microsoft. The next one is tactile virtual reality. What tactile virtual reality is nothing but innovation technology offers more immersive experiences like augmented reality and virtual reality. You know, virtual reality immerses the user is simulated environment. Augmented reality is an overlay of technology in the real world, right? Nowadays, the Cisco forecasted that globally AR/VR traffic will increase 12-fold by 2022 in all fields of entertainment. Now, touch gives us very deeper understanding of things that cannot fully experience it by sight or hearing. That is where the tactile virtual reality comes into play. It combines the use of several types of technology, including the sensors, advanced haptics, etc., bundled into a single device, and it provides the capability to overlay augmented digital content into your real-time space. With the advancement of a tactile or haptic technology, the touch barrier can now be scaled. The companies are investing in tactile VR or Oculus, Watchix, and Cisco. The next one, big data analytics. Big data analytics has been there in the more market in the quite some time now. More and more business are adapting it to go beyond the traditional ways of data storage and processing. In new trends such as X analytics are being used to find a solution to challenges, including the climate change and decision prevention and wildlife protection. Big data also gives us interesting trends like a decision intelligence, which provides a framework to help data engineers to design, model, and execute and monitor the decision models and processes in the context of business outcomes and behavior. The companies are investing in big data analytics are Amazon, Netflix, Starbucks, Spotify, Google, and Adobe. The next technology is human augmentation. Humans have continually experimented with the technology to enhance a life as they know it, right? This curiosity how entertain the other territory is called the human augmentation, which basically means it taking the help of technology like artificial intelligence and internet of things to not only to enhance our daily lives but also to make the human intelligence to the next level, right? To build an incredibly powerful brain machine interfaces with the power to process immense amounts of data, right? Magnanimous amounts of data is nothing but it's currently the study of have been the raising up towards helping people with the disabilities with the bionics and prosthetic augmentations. and curing the sickness and experimenting with the genes. But the promise is to end the existing physical disabilities or prevent injuries from happening at all. It can also be provide opportunities for further creative functions. For example, the companies like Neuralink and Google, Samsung, and Exo, or they are creating something like a brain machine interfaces with the power to process amount of data. Right now, the next one is everything as a service. The everything as a service is a cloud computing term for the extensive variety of services and applications emerging for the users to access on demand over the internet as opposed to be utilized via on premises means. It gives you the flexibility to customize your computing environments to craft the experiences desired all on demand. The everything as a service has expanded to incorporate many services such as a function as a service, IT as a service, infrastructure as a service, security as a service, and database as a service. As these applications become even more portable, compute cycles easier to process in real time, data integration, platform streamline connectivity, and vendors from class platform alliances. That multi-count trend might start to look more like an omni cloud one in the nature future. Now, what are the different companies are investing in XAS? HPC, Red Hat, VMware, AWS, Google Clouds, and Microsoft Azure. The everything as a services is totally belongs to a cloud computing. There are different types of services, is there, right? But these are the new technology. But here they are providing something more services to the users to operate in cloud. Right. The next one is cyber security. With so many organizations undergoing the huge digital transformations, awareness of ongoing the looming presence of cyber attacks continues to grow, not only for large organizations but also for small businesses also. Now the cyber security is nothing. A new trend is definitely our virtual dispersive network. That is VDN. VDN is a unique approach to cybersecurity wherein a signal is transmitted in a short burst and quantum packets, which can be covertly read without a disrupting their content. Basically, no one can intercept data sent to you without introducing some noise in it. Blockchain security is also a trend now. It's a modular, responsive security approach by centralizing the organization and distributing enforcement. The different companies are investing here also. What are those? One is Cisco, Red Hat, and IBM. The next one is artificial intelligence. Here, artificial intelligence is nothing but just you are giving the intelligence to the machine to work done, right? Here, the robust artificial intelligence implementation will facilitate the performance, scalability, and reliability while delivering the complete return of investments. You know, the artificial intelligence engineering offers to make AI a part of the mainstream DevOps processes rather than a set of specialized isolated projects. This solves issues with maintainability, scalability, and governance. And TINI aims to create an algorithm to shrink existing the deep learning models without losing their capabilities, to pack more computational power into higher physical spaces and on for less energy. Means you know the in the artificial intelligence they have different set of layers, like machine learning, deep learning, right, and then regressions or something like that. There are different types of models also is there. But here, without losing a data, we need to make the particular project is more powerful. That is our aim of artificial intelligence, right? The companies are investing in artificial intelligence, or Google, Apple, Amazon, and IBM. You know, these are different technologies and the top 10 technologies 2021. And then thanks for watching. Thank you.